From which institute you are? What was your topic?
Use of IT in supply chain management.
What is the benefit due to IT in supply chain management? What is the benefit in supply chain?
There are a lot of benefits which we can do. Firstly, we suggest one benefit to the organization, that is called Hamdard Work. I had suggested that to them, और उसमें we had suggested them कि you should maintain the records on Excel sheet rather than maintaining records on manual basis. So there are many uses of IT, there are many software which can help the organization to maintain the record, the data which are going through the supply chain process. So it is very useful in the organization.
Apart from just record management, what else?
Apart from
Record management, what else IT can do?
Also in reducing the cost. The main thing is for all the organization, for ourselves also.
exactly strategic planning and satisfying customers, rather attracting the customer towards yourself, like eBay and eShop. There are many things are there. So attracting the customer through e-commerce, ERP. So we can do those things.
It also reduces cost.
It reduces the cost, overall cost.
And it also helps the organization to smooth
And one another factor is time. Time is most precious thing for one of us.
How you like this idea, logistic talent hunt?
Very nice, very nice. For this, we got to know that something we can do in the field of logistics, because before coming here or getting the topic from here, we were not going through in the part of logistics in deep like this. So when we got the topic that we have to give the presentation of uses of IT in logistics in the supply chain management, so we gone through all those things, and then we come to know that this is the part which the future can be made up.
And side by side we increase our knowledge.
Definitely.
Before we don't know much about logistics, but after participating in this event, we know how logistics is important in today's world, in today's scenario.
We knew that logistics is something about transporting the goods from one place to another place, for maintaining the raw materials, work in progress, finished goods, all those things. But and we didn't know that how much supply chain can help the organization in uses of IT can help the organization in a broad way.
Going future, what are you looking for a career in logistics?
Definitely there is a career for IT people, because definitely they will be increasing more software and developing more software. As I am concerned, I am an HR person, I am going to take HR. I definitely suggest the organization to reduce the human cost with the uses of IT, that is implementing more of people who know the IT processes, so that organization's overall cost can be minimized.
Thank you.